سلام كبرات تخاتلتي كمي كأنيكم دحندلهم لما عندها مقصلتا ناي The Big Bang Theory Season 1 Episode 1 B لياز نبركو لما مقصلتا دما سي ويكا حيزلكم متيلخو حجي قصالي سوني ربع عربي زلوا زينا بسوم سلسة جيزة ناي مشات كابس عشمون تنينيو زلو جيزة بقاطرنا إيرتانا إتوبيان مالتيو شعو كزرقو حي تخاتلو مالتيو قصالي خطو حجي سوني ربع عربي مالتيو كل جيزة خمت زبلكم جن إذا channel حداش لزلا سبسكرايب لايك شير مقبرة يتحمقو زخونة رئيتو تولغا أبتي كومنت سيشن تحفو أما فولو حجي نابتنا يلوم مع أنتي كفال كبلوكمي السنة مكتال Big Bang.
Okay, well, make yourself at home.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Ooh, this looks like some serious stuff. Leonard, did you do this?
Actually, that's my work.
Wow.
Yeah, well, it's just some quantum mechanics with a little string theory doodling around the edges. That part there, that's just a joke. It's a spoof of the Born-Oppenheimer approximation.
So you're like one of those beautiful mind genius guys.
Yeah.
This is really impressive.
I have a board. If you like boards, this is my board.
Holy smokes.
If by holy smokes you mean a derivative restatement of the kind of stuff you can find scribbled on the wall of any men's room at MIT, sure.
What?
Come on. Who hasn't seen this differential below here I sit broken-hearted?
At least I didn't have to invent 26 dimensions just to make the math come out.
I didn't invent them. They're there.
In what universe?
In all of them, that is the point.
Do you guys mind if I start?
Penny, that's where I sit.
Sit next to me.
No, I sit there.
What's the difference?
What's the difference?
Here we go.
In the winter, that seat is close enough to the radiator to remain warm, and yet not so close as to cause perspiration. In the summer, it's directly in the path of a cross breeze created by opening windows there and there. It faces the television at an angle that is neither direct, thus discouraging conversation, nor so far wide as to create a parallax distortion. I could go on, but I think I've made my point.
Do you want me to move?
Well,
Just sit somewhere else.
fine.
Sheldon, sit. Well, this is nice. We don't have a lot of company over.
That's not true. Gunther, Polly, and Wallowitz come over all the time.
Yes, I know, but...
Tuesday night, we played Klingon Boggle until 1 in the morning.
Yeah, I remember.
I resent you saying we don't have company.
I'm sorry.
That has negative social
I
implications.
said I'm sorry.
So, Klingon Boggle?
Yeah, it's like regular Boggle, but in Klingon. That's probably enough about us. So tell us about you.
Me? Okay. I'm a Sagittarius, which probably tells you way more than you need to know.
Yes, it tells us that you participate in the mass cultural delusion that the sun's apparent position relative to arbitrarily defined constellations at the time of your birth somehow affects your personality.
Participate in the what?
I think what Sheldon's trying to say is that Sagittarius wouldn't have been our first guess.
Oh, yeah. A lot of people think I'm a water sign. Okay, let's see. What else? Oh, I'm a vegetarian. No, except for fish. And the occasional steak. I love steak.
Well, that's interesting. Leonard can't process corn.
Well, so do you have some sort of a job?
Oh, yeah. I'm a waitress at the Cheesecake Factory.
Oh, I love cheesecake.
You're lactose intolerant.
I don't eat it. I just think it's a good idea.
أما بول خبرات تقاتلتي نايلوم معانتي تداليا زنبرت مدب نزيئة تمثل تسفى قبر كابزن داس حاكم تمهارغت هلو أبزمت ربع Season 1 Episode 1 D ويكا ما حيزلكم كمتي كساب شعو سسنا ينعهم